The fear of lingering notifications is, for me, a living nightmare. It's so bad that I open every email and text, whether I plan to respond to it immediately or not. I can't stand that frickin' one. It's always a one, too, because I hit it so fast. And I always open notifications seconds after they pop up on my phone. This could cause overwhelm in some, and yet I'm processing tons of information on 4 or 5 different Slack channels. I'm in 5 different inboxes, all getting emails every day, and also the notifications from Twitter and other social media sites. So how do I manage all those notifications? And more specifically, how do I maintain inbox zero? That's what I want to talk about in today's video. But before I jump into it and show you my foolproof method for always getting inbox zero, make sure you subscribe down below and smash the like button for more content like this. This is all about cold email on this channel. I'm Alex Berman. I'm the author of the Cold Email Manifesto, so you know I live in my inboxes. And that is why I want to talk about inbox zero, because a lot of people get overwhelmed by what is inside the inbox. So let's break it down and solve it today for you forever. The first thing you want to do is find your time. You want to figure out how much time you can spare to clean up your inbox, whether it's 30 minutes a day or constantly, which is what works for me. In between meetings, I'll be checking emails. In the morning, I'll be checking emails, just constantly going through every single second of every day that I'm not doing something else. Like if I'm on a call, I'll be on a call. But then after the call, I'll check my email. And if I'm going to lunch, then I'll go to lunch. But then after, I'll check my email, or I'll go to the bathroom and I'll check my email. Whatever. Whenever I look at my phone, I'll make sure that that's part of it in the cycle. So we live in cycles and we have habits when we reach over and we pick up our phone. And my habit typically is I'll go to Twitter, I'll go to Gmail, I might go to Facebook. If I'm in a Facebook kind of mood, I'll go to Instagram, and then I'll go back to Gmail and I'll check the 2 or 3 other inboxes that I have on this phone. So that is my process for going through emails. So find your time, whether it's blocking out a meeting time or you just do it throughout the day like I do it. And then you assess your inbox. If right now you're at inbox something, let's say 1,000 emails from weeks ago, then the easiest way to get to inbox zero is to select all and delete. That's it. Why is something in your inbox from weeks ago? It obviously isn't important enough for you to respond to it. So just go ahead and delete it. You can start from scratch today. Commit to being better at your inbox. So make sure you select all, delete. And I always prioritize having an empty inbox. So there's this one email here, but I just realized as I was looking at that it's a pending task for Vishal to complete. We already have a meeting on the calendar to talk about it. So there's actually no reason to have that email in the inbox. And then in my other inbox, you can see it's just totally empty. Now both my inboxes are completely empty. The next thing you want to do is remove all unnecessary emails. If I get a newsletter to my email, I will either unsubscribe, or if they make unsubscribing difficult, I'll mark it as spam. And Google is actually really good at removing you from any newsletters that you mark as spam. So I make sure to do that whenever anyone's annoying me. If they send an email a couple times, then that's it. Once you've done that, once you've cleaned out the incoming mail, then you should, in theory, be able to get to inbox zero. And as long as you get a newsletter that you don't want and unsubscribe to that, then eventually you'll have no emails in your inboxes. The reason why both of these are completely empty is I'm subscribed to no newsletters on this email or this email. And anytime I accidentally subscribe to a newsletter, I mark it as spam or I unsubscribe. This inbox, however, my personal Gmail from my high school days, is the one that I use to subscribe to stuff. And you can see this has 35,000 emails. I never open this. And if I do, I just look at it for a second and I don't really do anything here at all. Why was Sandman in sand form throughout No Way Home? This is what you get for not unsubscribing from newsletters. This is trash, and it should be treated like trash, and I will unsubscribe immediately. So it doesn't mean you have to subscribe to no newsletters, but for your work email, for your Gmail, and for any email that you actually want to have inbox zero on, make sure that you're subscribed to absolutely nothing, and you're very aggressive about unsubscribing from things that you don't want in your inbox. If you want to learn more about lead generation and join a community of awesome people, including weekly calls with me, then go over to email10k.com and join now. It also comes with access to all of our courses about growing a business, so you can check that out today at email10k.com. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.